In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Sketchbook app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, by updating your Sketchbook app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. To do this is pretty simple. We need to go ahead and find this Sketchbook app on our smartphone. For my case, I'll use Google Play Store because I'm on Android. If you are on iPhone, you need to go ahead and find the app on your App Store. So I'll go ahead and go to Play Store here. Then using this search bar or this search icon, just go ahead and search for your app by name and then tap on search icon here. And here you should see we have our app. As you can see, if I tap on it, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Sketchbook app that might be missing latest features and also might be prone to errors. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Sketchbook app and then install it on my smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now I can now proceed and open this app to start using the latest version of Sketchbook app. So that's how you can get the latest version or update your Sketchbook app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.